Hello, in this video I'm gonna be creating custom press-on nails for a friend. These are the nail tips that I'm going to be using. I already attached them to the nail stands, and right now I'm filing the extra little plastic that is sticking out of nail tips. And today, instead of buffing the nail tips, I'm just gonna go ahead with primer. This is going to create a sticky layer to help with the adhesion of the gel polish. What I do, I just scrub the primer onto the nail tips until I create some texture. And then once this is completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead with the base gel and I'm gonna be curing the nails for 1 minute. Next, I'm gonna be using a beautiful nude from Born Pretty, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply a layer of this on all the nails. I'm gonna continue now with this beautiful glitter from Imayli. I purchased this on Amazon and I really love this product. These products are made with no HEMA, and there are other 2 chemicals that are not included as well. This is the only product that I currently can use on myself and doesn't give me any allergic reactions, which is very good. And as you can see, it's very beautiful, applies very nicely and cures very well as well. So next I'm gonna be creating an ombre here on the middle nail, and I'm just gonna be dragging a little bit of glitter just to create an ombre. Once I'm happy with the results, I stop and then I cure everything for 1 minute. I finished applying all the second coats on the nails, and I'm going to continue with the design for today, which is very simple. I'm going to be drawing some lines similar to a candy cane, and all you need for this design is a liner brush with a very thin end. And then as you can see here, I made some mistakes. You just have to work with the mistakes as well. Just clean it and continue. And then I'm just gonna do this for the nail that is gonna be on the middle finger, and then for the ring finger I'm gonna be creating a beautiful snowflake. For the snowflake, the easiest way for me is with the dotting tool. I just mark a few dots, and then I just join the lines with the liner brush, and voila, there is a beautiful snowflake. Now I just like to clean the edges of the nails. I like to make sure that it's not there isn't anything sticky now, like extra gel or anything inside the nail tips. And I just do like a fine filing. I don't do a lot of filing. And I went ahead with a top coat. I cured it for 60 seconds, and the nails came out really cute. I'm gonna show you the result in a second. And here you go. These are the final results for today. I think my friend is going to be happy. I'm happy with the results. And I just want to say thank you to you for watching my video, staging here, as well, and including for her the prep kit and the application kit for the press-ons, which include an alcohol pad, a mini buffer, a mini file, some nail glue. She might have her own already that it might be better, but I'm just sending it to her anyways. And I'm loving these nails, they come out so cute. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.